Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video. I'm using these inserts which are by Annie Plans. I'll leave a link below for those, and I'm also using my Fab Planner Print sticker kits. This one is butterfly lace, and I'll also leave the link below for that too. To begin with, I am just adding some ink using some Versa Magic chalk ink. It means that it doesn't really sink through the page and you just have to leave it a little while to dry. And I'm just pressing it through a stencil, and I'm just adding some to the bottom corners and then the opposite top corner. In hindsight, I probably should have added it on all corners all the way around, because a lot of it does end up covered up, which is a shame, but I'm definitely happy with this technique. I'll definitely try this out again. It does mean that I'm just using a bit less washi than usual because I didn't want to cover it up, but I still use a little bit anyway. So I'm just doing the same on the opposite side. I just press down with the ink pad and then just smoosh it around a bit to make sure that all the little bits are filled in on the part of the stencil I'm wanting to use. And again, flipping it over and placing it back down. I've just put a bit of scrap cardstock behind my pages so that I don't mess up my surface. And then now these are done, I'm just going to leave them to dry and then I'll come back to them. So this is the kit I'm using. It's got gorgeous butterflies on it. So first off, I'm just going to add a strip of washi down the side here, which fits perfectly into that part of the planner printable there. And then I'm adding the thinner piece across the top, over the top of the days of the week. And because this isn't the size of sticker kit that goes with this specific monthly printable, I'm just trimming things off here and there to make it work. I'm just adding this big beautiful sticker here, which I wouldn't normally be able to do, except I have changed up the style of inserts I'm using now, so I'm able to do that. And here's just a little tip of being able to cut down stickers so that they fit into the smaller boxes. I've just added a little pencil mark, trimmed it down and then stuck it back in, and that's the end of the month there, so obviously I don't need to write anything there. And then on this other side, I'm just adding these couple of list boxes, which I will utilize later on for anything very important that crops up during the month, or any appointments I need to make, etc. So I'm just adding some title little boxes there, ready to use them. At the top here, I am adding some grey half boxes, which are actually from another kit. I think they're from the fairy one that I just had left over, but because they have that soft grey colour, it went really well with this kit as well, so I'm just going to use a couple of them. That's where I'll be adding in my stats for my social media, YouTube, that kind of thing. I like to add stats at the beginning of a month just to see how things are going on. I've also added a couple of decorative stickers and a scripty July there because I've covered it up on the opposite side. Now I'm just adding in a few details. So I've got payday, I've got a party to go to on the Saturday, so I've added a little glasses there, and I've also added those beautiful bow flags down each of Wednesdays and Thursdays, which are days where I've got important things to film. And now I'm just adding in a few little stickers here and there that are relevant to things that I have to do, which I'll be filling in now. So I have Happy Meal arriving on the Monday. All the Wednesdays I've got the scrap layouts to do, so I'm putting those in there. Thursdays is my Fab Planner Print Day, so I'm writing those in. I've also got a crop, which I've added some stickers for as well, which I'm going to write down in a second. And I also have more mail to send on the Friday the 6th, so I've added that in too. I'm not sure if there's anything else. Oh yeah, I've got another thing, event on at the end of the month, so I've just added a couple of cute little party hats there to represent that. And I think I do add a couple of YouTube and Instagram stickers as well, and a little computer just for various other bits and bobs to do with my channel. and I'm just adding some extra little mini flags in here, or banners, for some crafty ribbon projects I've got to do. So basically this is all the things I have to do on YouTube, so I'm just adding those in. As you can see, I added a little YouTube sticker there and Instagram. And now that I've got all the functional ones like that in, I'm coming back in with all the gorgeous pretty floral pieces from the kit and just adding them here and there so that they look pretty, but I'm still leaving gaps in case I need to add anything extra in. And I thought I'd just add a little bit of sparkle because it went so well with the kit, because the kit has that soft grey colour, and so I just add a little bit of sparkly washi in there as well. And I think that's about me done. So I've got numbers left that I can utilise on another kit, a couple of more boxes. I've got one butterfly there which I decided to use up, and that is me done. So thanks for joining me today. Please let me know if you prefer to see the full video where I do add a few bits of writing and of the things I have to do, or whether you prefer it just with the decoration. I'd love to know your thoughts on that, and I'll see you again next time. So please make sure you go check out Fab Planner Print. There is a 25% sale starting this Friday, so do go check it out. Thanks for joining me again. Bye.